Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today, whew, we are collabing with Marilyn at Cozy Lifestyle Living. She is doing a 12 weeks Love Your Home challenge for 2023, and every Wednesday we are to upload a video at 6 p.m. and today's video is going to be decluttering our bedroom. So, my room right now is a catch-all due to the holidays, due to spending time with family and birthday for me. And my room, with it being on the main level, is kind of like a catch-all sometimes. So I'm not going to go deep off into explaining all of this. I'm just going to show you real quick how my room is looking right now. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to declutter, because right now it is also, well, like I said, I'm not even going to explain to you. We're just going to get on into this video. And if you are new to my channel, I love to welcome you, and I hope that you are having a wonderful new year thus far. And if you are not subscribed, please consider doing so. If you are coming over from Marilyn's channel, hey. And if you are not familiar with Marilyn's channel, I will have her link down below. And as I said, we are not going to do much talking, but we're going to get into this video. All right. Okay. This is what we are walking into. This is my room. I have some 90% off items that I got from Hobby Lobby. My niece is having a Elsa Frozen birthday party theme, and I'm going to be doing her treat table and her backdrop. So I will bring you guys along with that when that occurs. Then we come over here. Yeah, you see it. My son then left his little nasty little socks in here. My bed is made up because I have been on this kick of when I get up, within the hour I make up my bed. So yes, my bed is made up and my room is chaotic. Okay. Again, this is some stuff here, my son's, and then I have a Poshmark store and I listed these items on there. If you're interested, I will leave my Poshmark store down in the description box. Yeah, hot mess. So over here, this is my dresser. Yeah, I decorated for Christmas, but as I said, I have this cute little mirror that I picked up at Ross, and I probably will show you that when I have time, if I have time. Okay, like I said, Christmas. Yeah. Over here, I didn't discover this until I made up my bed. My son then left his pajamas, his snacks. Okay. So, yeah. So what we're about to do is we are about to remove this clutter and get the extra stuff out of my room. So, stay tuned. Okay, everyone, we are back. I have cleared out all of my Christmas and the things that I don't need and cleared off my dresser. Um, Now, what I'm about to do is I'm going to tackle my dresser drawers. I'm going to pull everything out, place it on my bed, go through my clothes, and y'all, I am ashamed to say, but this drawer right here is a junk drawer, and I will not be showing you guys. If you want to see my messy mess, then why not subscribe? And then you can see it all. But until you subscribe, we're going to do it this way. All right, let's get these numbers up. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Okay. But as I said, I'm going to empty everything out of my dresser drawer. Take what I don't want, and I will show you what I don't want. And then I will show you how my dresser drawers look once I've folded and placed everything back in neatly. But the before, no, you're not getting that part. Like I said, subscribe. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is some of the stuff. I have some of my stuff folded in my drawers already. These are my socks that I am matching up. Miscellaneous stuff. Things that I have bagged up. That is trash. This is donate basket. This is my Poshmark basket, and that's donate basket. So next time you see, it will be everything organized. I'll be back. All right, everyone, we have finished decluttering. You saw that I had one bag of clothes that I will be donating. And I'm going to share with you real quick how my dresser drawers turned out. And I'm going to give you a quick look of the room. It's nice and clean, and I'm satisfied. And I hope you all get some satisfaction of seeing what I've done and the outcome. So let's get to it. All right, as you see, I made up my bed. I cleaned up my nightstand and downsized what was on there. These are must-have items until I can find the nightstand that I want. As I said, my bed was made at the beginning, and I just dolled it up a little bit, and I moved my plant over here because it wasn't getting enough sunlight. So I watered it and I placed it over there. I put back my flower arrangement. I just took out a few things out of it. I will be redoing my room here shortly. Let's get into these dresser drawers. This is where I keep my sheet sets for my bed, in this drawer. And in this drawer, this is like my comfortable shorts and leggings and stuff like that. This is undergarments. Here I have like jeans and jean shorts, And I really did downsize on this drawer, so it's a lot of room left. And these are my butters that I like to use. I need some now. My hands all ashy. But yeah, have that in there. And then in here, I just have like some of my shirts that I don't like to hang up. And then in this last drawer, this is my sock drawers and my jammies. So yeah, that is it. And I painted my dresser this champagne gold, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it this color. I even did my bed, and as you can see, I did not finish that. So I'm still debating, and I'm still debating on door pulls. So yeah, I don't know if that's going to be something, because Marilyn said we can also coming around to the end of the challenge, we can create or do a room makeover. So this might be it. But there's my dresser, nice and clean. And we're gonna flip the camera back around to me. But as you all can see, my room is nice and clean. Everything is nice and clean. And the next video that you will see from this challenge, the next video that you'll see from this challenge will be next Wednesday at 6 p.m. And we will be tackling our classics. Yes, yes, yes. So, as I said before, if you want to see my messy mess, come on and subscribe. If you are not yet subscribed, I would love to have you. And if you are not yet subscribed to Marilyn, please go over to her channel. Please watch the playlist. You are going to enjoy this, I think. This is a 12-week challenge. Let's get into it. And if you haven't and you want to get in on it, come on in and help out. Come on in and participate. What are you going to lose? You're getting your home organized and you're decluttering. So, enough chit chat. Thank you guys for stopping by. You be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.